Hello everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can save your After Effects edit to your phone from a Windows laptop or computer. Let's get started. After you have finished your edit, you will press on the File application on top and look down until you find the Export menu and tap on Add to Render Queue, which will take you to the Render tab, and there you can change the settings to however you want. Personally, this is how I keep mine, and you will want to check in the best settings that you have your resolution on full, so your edit has a better quality. After that, you can rename your edit to whatever you want, and you will be ready to render it by pressing on the Render option, which may take a while depending on your edit. Mine took around 30 minutes to render it. Usually makes a cheering-like sound when finished rendering, to let you know that it finished, and then you can close After Effects and open Handbrake if you don't have it. Just download it, it's completely free. This app will help you convert your video into an MP4 copy so that you can watch it on your phone. You have to drop the file that was saved from After Effects into Handbrake, and then you can rename your edit to Not Get Mixed and change the file where you want it to be saved. Again, personally, I save mine on my videos file, but that is really just up to you. On top there, you will find a green button which says Start Encode there. It will start saving your edit as an MP4, and you will also wait until it finished. This process usually only takes a couple of minutes, if not less. Then in the bottom, you will see that it says Queue Finished. Now the last and final step is to open your Chrome and search for Mega. Mega is also an app if you want it. Install it on your phone in order to save the edit to your phone. Mega is also a completely free app that you can use now. All that you have to do is log in or create an account if you don't have one already, and simply just drop the edit as an MP4 copy to the screen, and it will automatically upload to the app on your phone. Open Mega on your mobile device, and your edit will be the fifth one on top. Press on the three dots next to it, then press on Save to Photos. And just like that, the edit will be saved on your Photos app. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. For any question, ask in the comments. I would be more than happy to help. If you want to check the edit used in this video, the link is in the description. See you in the next tutorial. Bye, guys.